Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick here to take you through today's market action. Stocks finally rallied after 2 days of selling, a rough start to the week, and early softness at the opening bell. Stocks firmed up, rallied, and the Nasdaq closed more than 1.3% higher, while the S&P, Dow, and Russell all closed more than 1% up. It was a good session. It was much needed. All but two sectors in the S&P were higher. Materials managed almost a 3% rally, more than 2.5%. Consumer discretionary was up pretty big, and industrials rallied more than 1.5%. On the downside, energy was lower as crude oil got slammed again, and utilities were off a bit. Let's talk some stocks that are on the move, including an after-hours earnings from Marvell drove a sell-off in the stock, a big drop despite a 78% increase in data center revenue. The company posted a slight beat on the top and bottom line. Guidance also came in line with Wall Street's estimates, and Marvell's CEO says its custom AI silicon programs have entered full production, and that the company is well positioned for a strong start to fiscal 2026, but the market was not having it. Deterioration across all their other business lines, and perhaps not the best way to play AI. Crowdstrike was also down after earnings, but then recovered as the market rallied throughout the day. It still was the worst performer in the S&P 500, another one that had a mixed earnings report but a harsh punishment. The company posted a guidance miss for the quarter and full year. More than a dozen analysts stood by what's mostly bullish sentiment across Wall Street. Price targets fluctuated. Some brought theirs up, some brought theirs down, but the point is most on Wall Street still love the stock. Abercrombie Fitch slipped 9% after citing tariffs as a reason for its weak guidance. The company projected 3 to 5% sales growth, down from 16% seen last year. Abercrombie's chief financial officer said the outlook includes U.S. tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico currently in effect. Tomorrow, we do have some big earnings, Broadcom and Costco after the bell. We'll get reports from JD.com and some other fun ones in the morning. Watch for data on jobless claims as the highlight. Maybe peek in on international trade in goods and services, productivity and costs. That's it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.